How to disable dark mode on TikTok for both iPhone and Android. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So all you basically want to do is go to profile, and as you can tell, my TikTok app is currently in dark mode, but like you clicked on this video, you want to disable it. So what you want to do is click on the three horizontal lines at the top right and go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Once you're here, you want to scroll a bit down till you see display. It's right in the middle of my screen right there. Open it up, and here you can already see light and dark mode. So if I put it to light mode just like that, I have now disabled dark mode on TikTok. Now what you can also do is use device settings, and if I enable that, it will switch back to dark mode, and that's because my device is set to dark mode. So if I put it to light mode, then TikTok will also go to light mode. So that's a pretty cool feature that you can choose as well. But if you don't want that, then simply just click on one of these two, and that is it actually. So I'm actually going to enable that and then go back to dark mode, and that's about it. So yeah, I'll see you next time.